Yes. Let me explain. We have three programs tonight. First, ballet dance with CDs. Okay? And second, piano. We also sing, and two girls singing there. So we need great microphones. Right. And the third, which is the last, CD and dance. That's all. Very simple. Okay. So please tell the person here to check microphone. Yes.